Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I want to do a purple design with silver. I've already got the silver laid down. And before I begin, I want to mention the purpose of this. This manicure is dedicated to my dear friend from Karina's Nail Designs. Happy birthday, Karina! Hope you have many more great birthdays. If you go over to her channel later on, read down in her description of a recent video, you'll understand that she's going through a tough time. So I hope this year is so much better for you, Karina. I really do. My other great friend, GirlyNail66, and I wanted to thank her friendship, all the times that she's commented and watched our videos. So we're both doing this as a collaboration to celebrate her birthday. So after you get done here, if you haven't already, I'll link GirlyNail66's video up here, and at the end of the video, go check the other two ladies out. Wish Karina a happy birthday. I'm going to attempt to kind of take inspiration from one of her designs that she did in a collaboration at Valentine's Day. She did blue over silver hollow. I don't have hollow on, I just have silver. But what I did was, and I'm going to put her picture up here, I used a little bit of Model 1's solid painting nail gel. At first I put 2 coats on and I just didn't like how it looked underneath, or how it was going to look underneath. I needed more glitter. So I went back and redid it and put a very light coat, a little extra at my cuticle area, because I'm going to have that exposed on some of my nails. So I have a very thin layer with a little bit extra right at the cuticle area. Then I went in with Model 1's glitter silver, did 1 coat, and I cured each of these, of course. I always cure them. And now I'm going to try to take inspiration from that picture. I'm going to do a little stamping, maybe some foil arts. I'm not sure. I have a bunch of things set out right here, but what I want to try to do, since she did like a little cuff nail, I want to try to, and she put blue over top of her hollow, I'm going to try to put Model 1's ultraviolet over top of mine and see if I can finally wear a cuffed nail. I think that's what you call it. Not sure now that I'm saying it. Just want to see if I can get the same type of effect. This one I'm thinking to do all glitter. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to just put 1 little coat over top of all these nails. I'm going to give these a cure. Okay, I figured I would use some of the supplies she gave me. This is Nichole Diary L06. I'm going to pull one of these images off here, probably this one. Okay, I'm going to get out my Model 1 silver key and just do a little stamping. I think I can get, you know what, I'm thinking to just pull this image. Clean up my mess. I'm gonna try the new Galaxy color collection from SheModern, the purple twinkling. See how that would look over the stamping and on these 2 nails as well, because I want to do a little bit of nail decals. I accidentally wiped off my techie layer, so I'm going to get out the grip gel from SheModern. I'm going to apply this and cure it. I'm going to get out the Galaxy purple twinkling from SheModern and just see what I can get going here, because I know Karina loves SheModern. I love SheModern. Let's see how it looks on those 2. And then maybe I'll do it on the middle 2. You're not really going to see the purple that much because I already have on purple. But purple is her favorite color and I want to have as much purple as possible. Holo Purple Iridescent Sparkling from SheModern. Let's go all purple for her. It's important when you're working with gels that you don't go touching it with your skin. Please, I see a lot of my friends doing it. I used to do it. It's just not a good thing to do. Just tap on the glitter, get out a brush, a makeup applicator, something, a rubber tool, and just don't touch your glitter, don't touch your gel polish, please. Any gel, it's like putting monomer on your skin over and over. That's just not a good thing. I had to switch up my brushes because I used my other brush for another project and I didn't clean out all the white gel, so now I've got to cover over my white gel. I add a little bit here too. You can always pick up your extra glitters, add a little bit more in. And all the SheModern products, except for the gel, are completely safe for your skin. Let's see, in order to get my decals to stick, I may put a little bit more grip gel on because this is glitter. This just kind of seals in the glitter and gives it a nice smooth surface and a tacky surface to put a decal over it. Okay, I'm gonna give those a cure. Okay, I've got a few decals. I have some SheModern, some initials, and I have some, I believe these were actually stickers, but I couldn't get them off, so I figured I would just treat them like water decals. See, I'm never really sure what I'm gonna do until I start doing it. So I had some hollow ones stuck out. But Karina's Nail Designs gave me these, so I want to use these to show her my love. And I really, really like them. Oh, I wish I would have cut out purple. Yes, I'm going to cut out some purple. So I just cut out a decal off of a sheet. These you just need a little drop of water to make them come off. That's what I did ahead of time. Just a little drop. It releases so fast from the backing. Just going to put a butterfly here. And since Karina's renamed to Karina's Nail Designs, I've been calling her KND or Candy. So that's why I have 3 initials here. These are also from SheModern. Now some of SheModern items, yes, I have been sent, but I have bought tons more. You have to press it down with your curve of your tool. I'm going to give these all a top coat. Okay, so I have them all top coated in. I really like this one a lot. I love them. I love these two. I wish I would have did the holo stickers on, or holo decals on these two as well. But Karina does a lot of stamping, so I had to do a little bit of stamping. I'm going to take some pictures and hope that I can capture the beautiful glitter showing through and then the beautiful glitter I put on top as well. Thank you for the inspiration, Karina. Everybody, in case I don't remember if I mentioned it now, what KND stands for is Karina's Nail Designs. Since she told me about her name change of her channel, and immediately went and started calling her Candy, KND. So please everybody, wish Candy a happy birthday down below. If you haven't seen Girly Nails 66's video yet, please head on over to her channel. I will have it linked up above and at the end of the video, and I'll have Karina's Nail Designs linked up above. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. Every single minute that you watch means so much to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.